Diagram shows that centrifugal governor. At the center, we have a spindle. Okay. Now, around the spindle, there is a sleeve. The movement of the sleeve is restricted by means of two stopper, which is called as S and S. Means upper limit of the sleeve will be upper movement of the sleeve will be defined and lower movement of the sleeve will be defined. Now there are four arms or four links, and at the extreme end of the arm of the upper arm there is a fly ball which will generate a centrifugal force during the movement. At lower speed, this fly ball will take a lower position. At higher speed, this fly ball will take a move away from the spindle. And this is how the centrifugal governor works, and we have already seen in the last lecture. Okay. Still, I want to remind you what exactly the centrifugal governor or how it works. The function of the governor is to maintain a synchronous speed or average speed of any vehicle. Assume that you want average speed of 60, lower speed is 40, and maximum speed is 80. I mean, if lower speed is 40 and the maximum speed is 80, the synchronous speed will be 60 kilometers. Okay. Suppose the speed of the any vehicle is going down and it reaches to the 40, and driver want to increase the speed of the vehicle. In that case, what happen? This governor will be attached to the IC engine through the bell crank lever. When the driver want to raise the speed of the vehicle, it means that the throttle valve has to be open. Then only then the speed can be increased. Once the valve get open, throttle valve gets open, it will allow the air fuel mixture into the combustion chamber towards the top end side. जो अपर एरो दिख रहे हैं आपको राइट हैंड साइड में, above that you will have a combustion chamber in through which a gas is entered into the engine, and the strokes will be take place, or the process of combustion will be take place. When gas entered by opening the throttle valve, it means that the speed of the engine or power of the engine can be increased. The speed may be increased from 40 to 50. It may be increased from 50 to 60. It may be increased from 60 to 70, and finally it will reach to the 80. As we have finished, as we have restricted the speed up to the 80, it means that we cannot go beyond 80 kilometers per hour. So what happened? This governor, with the help of crank lever mechanism, throttle valve get closed. That will stop the flow of airflow mixture into the IC engine, and the speed goes down, and it will be lower down from 80 to 70, 70 to 60, 60 to 50,